Zeus, they're pulling a rope. It's your favorite game. Come on, join in. Look. Look at how much fun they're having. They're pulling a rope. Zeus! Zeus, come see. Look at them, Zeus. They're pulling the rope. Come here. Dude, it's your favorite game. You can't miss out on it. Come here. Look. Go show them that you pulled the rope. Go show them that you know. They're just playing. Hello. Hello, everybody. Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. So fluffy. So fluffy. Look at that little butt. Look at that little butt.
Oh, my God.
Get her. Get her, Percy. Get her. I told you she was going to be the little vicious one. Little Tasmanian devil. Look at her. She looks just like a little Tasmanian devil.
Yeah.
Look at her. He really does look like a Tasmanian devil. It's so funny. Little tiny Persephone. Just chasing her tail. Oh my goodness, she's chasing her tail. What? What? That was so cute.
They're getting up in.
They got you, Zeus. They got you, Zeus. They got you. I told you they would. Come on, puppies. Come on, girls. Go get Zeus. Yeah, there she is. There she is. There she is. Oh, here it comes. They cornered him. Oh, that's hilarious. I'm getting out of here this way. What? Oh my God. Oh. He thinks that they don't see him, but then as soon as he goes to escape, they go to get him again. Look, look. Then they get distracted. He tries to run away. He escaped. Let's get him. Yeah, Zeus. I see that you're starting to like them. Mm-hmm.
Why are they smiling?
They're gonna break you. You will become friends. I know it. That's right. Wiggle that tail. Wiggle that tail. Happy Zeus. That's right. See, it's fun having little sisters. Fun, fun, fun. Oh, he's gonna start having fun now.
Stephanie always gets pushed back.
They just stumbled. Oh. Good job. Play. Get tired out before we go to bed. Look, now he has a happy face again. Still doesn't want to admit it. But he's having fun. Now he's thinking, well, maybe girl cooties aren't that bad.
Oh, she
Oops.
barked.
Yeah, that squeak was her bark, yes.
Zeus, isn't it fun?
Oh, he's loving getting the attention. I can see it. Well, that little squeak was a little bark. Who did that squeak? What are you doing? Give me my napkin back. Give me that. Ooh, you're intrigued now, huh? Now you want to see what they're doing.